Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed and you're watching my channel, Mohammed and Education for Us All. So, welcome to our kitchen once again, where what you see in front of you is chicken, strips of chicken breast. And we are going to make chicken pakoras. So the first thing to do with pakoras or chicken pakoras is to marinate them. It's a simple marination. We're going to put some yogurt and make sure it's on all of the pieces. Lots of garam masala. It's turmeric. And chilies. As I keep repeating, we do use very simple spices. You can use other things, but these are the flavoursome, as I call them. So that needs mixing really well. Just a little bit more, a little bit of salt. Mix that really well. Okay, I'm going to leave that for a few minutes to really soak in, about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so whilst the chicken is marinating, we need to create the gram flour mixture, and as always, about 4 or 5 tablespoons, and into that we have the chilies, garam masala, little bit of turmeric, salt, and can we have some coriander in there yet? Yep. Okay, and that again gives you, so that needs to be really mixed, otherwise you'll not get the flavours even if you have marinated them. Okay, so slowly get up. So we need to add the water slowly and make sure it's all really well soaked. Okay, that is a lovely consistency and ready for our chicken to be put in. So shall we put the chickens into there? So we've put all of the chicken in so that we can soak it really well, and at the same time we need to turn the oil on. Okay, so as you can see, the oil is sizzling away and we are starting to put our chicken pakoras in. So these are quite large pieces, so they will need cooking for quite a while, 5-6 minutes on either side. Okay, do keep moving them, otherwise again they'll stick. Okay. Can we turn one over? That one is ready, I think? Yeah, okay, lovely. A little bit more time, I think. And there we have it, viewers, our very simple chicken pakoras. I do hope you're going to try it at home. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Until the next time, I say look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. नाज़रीन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया चैनल को सपोर्ट खूब कीजिएगा। अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।